Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Stomach growling happens fastest after eating foods that digest quickly. Simple carbs like white bread, sugary snacks, and fruit juices break down rapidly and trigger growling within minutes. In contrast, fatty or high-protein foods digest slower and delay the rumbling. To avoid quick stomach growling, choose complex carbs or balanced meals that keep you fuller longer.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.